In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscription products in WooCommerce using the free WP Swing subscription plugin. We'll go through the full setup process inside WordPress, from installing the plugin to testing a live subscription product, so you can make sure everything is working the way you want before customers start buying. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage both WooCommerce and your plugin settings. Once you're inside, go to Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, look for the free WP Swing subscription plugin for WooCommerce. When you find it, click Install and then Activate. Activating the plugin is what adds the subscription features to your store. After the plugin is active, open the subscription plugin settings. Take a moment to look through the available options, then make sure subscription functionality is enabled. This step is important because without turning it on, the subscription features may not appear when you edit your products. Next, go to Products and either create a new product or edit an existing one. Inside the Product Data section, look for the subscription option and enable it. This tells WooCommerce that the item should be sold as a recurring purchase instead of a standard one-time product. Now enter the recurring price. This is the amount the customer will be charged on each billing cycle, so make sure it matches your offer clearly. Then choose the billing interval that fits your product or service. Depending on what you're selling, you can usually select a weekly, monthly, or yearly schedule. Pick the one that makes the most sense for your customers and for your business model. If the plugin gives you the option, you can also add an expiration period, a free trial, or a sign-up fee. These settings are useful for shaping the customer experience. For example, a free trial can help encourage sign-ups, while a sign-up fee can cover onboarding or setup costs. If you use these options, double-check the values so there's no confusion at checkout. Once that's done, save or publish the product. At this point, your subscription item should be ready in the catalog, but there's one more important thing to verify. Make sure a compatible recurring payment gateway is enabled in WooCommerce. Subscription renewals depend on a payment method that supports recurring charges, so this step is essential. Finally, place a test subscription order and review the renewal settings. This helps you confirm that pricing, billing intervals, and renewal behavior are all set correctly. Testing before launch can save time, prevent customer issues, and give you confidence that your subscription product is ready to go.